For this tutorial, we're going to be looking at the list feature in WorldCat. This is a feature that allows you to, when you search for items, you can save them in a list that is customizable and also allows you other options. So once you are logged into WorldCat, come up to My WorldCat and click on My Lists. This will bring you to the list screen, and we're going to start just by creating a new list. So here you of course can name your list anything and set its privacy. Perhaps it's a private list, it's just some reading list or something where you want to take notes on certain items, or maybe it's for a class and you want to share it with other people. We'll create the new list, and now we need to add something to the list. So here let's just look for something just to illustrate adding an item to the list. Here is first thing, something invisible. For our purposes it doesn't really matter too much, but let's say we do want to add this to the list. Upper left hand corner, we can just click Add to List. It'll allow you to choose from a list that you've already created, or you can make a brand new one. But we do know that we want to add it to anything, so we'll add to selected. The green check mark says that we have added it, and let's take a look back at our anything list. So from this view we can of course edit the description of anything and say that this is anything. Save that. And we can also add notes to the items. So down here we can say that this is an item. Save that note, and then again that's for us or for anyone else who can view it. So now that we know how to make a list, let's go back to our other lists here and just see what we can do with them. Here's a more fully fleshed out list for library and information sciences. One of the big things you can do is of course share. So we'll click on share. This is your basic email, so you can email a friend and they don't need to be logged into WorldCat to see this. So if your list is public, you can share this with anyone you would like. It also has the default social sharing tools that you would imagine, as well as an RSS feed for people to subscribe. There's also the cover view, which allows you to look at the covers. This may or may not be helpful depending on the items you have. As you can see, ours, we don't have a lot of covers. One of the most helpful things as a student, though, is citations view. From here you can select multiple citation styles, we'll stick with APA, and you can also export them. You might notice that the default view is newest first, so we will switch that to sort by author. So we have a nice sorted by author view, and we'll just export this as HTML. And click OK, and there we have our nice APA Works Cited page with all the items on our list. That is very helpful for any student. So that is going to be it for lists today. Thank you for watching.